Look at this. Look at the aftermath. Yeah, this is the aftermath. And clear vision. Yes, that's snow right there. That is snow. I cannot get over that. And no, we still can't get out. Oh, barely. And look at that. And look at that car. That car is buried in snow. I'm not kidding. Buried in snow. Completely buried. Okay, we could get out, but still, look. Look at the tree. Just look at the snow. The news is everywhere talking about the snow. I wonder how Albany did, or Chicago. What was it called again? I think it was Chicago. Chicago who gets snow a lot. I think that's it. Yeah, I think it's it. But still, look at that. Look at this. I'm not sure what to call this, but just wow. But still, wow. How? How did this even happen? Just how? That is the last note. Bye.